Yes, I could use a new intro. Hey guys, welcome to my video, and today, Luca's back again for more Roblox videos, I guess. Today, just dumb. Today we're just playing some Roblox, I don't know. Okay, I don't know. I just got into some serious, but it's guys up to you. I'm having a contest down below, guys. I'm going to give 3,000 Robux to one of these 3 accounts that I'm giving. Luca Leggett, my main account, Dr. Smart TP, which is an account I use all the time to troll, or Yo Tengo Espanol, which is an account I'm using right now just for fun. So comment down below who you should want to, or if you think so, try to contact me, and maybe you can win 3,000 Robux too, or maybe 1,000 Robux. I don't know. I can spend 30. I can spend real money. I'm 3,000 Robux is depending, or should I just give 1,000 Robux to each of these accounts? I don't know, but yeah. Choose them down in the comments, or if you don't know, you can just put them in my group right here. You can put them in my group. Yeah, updated, and there's a new updated. Oops, sorry about that. There's a new group, and there's banned people now. So if you are a hacker or banned people, joined in the group. But today we're making someone. But first off, we do daily ranks up. So we rank someone up daily. So first off, we're gonna name Yo Tengo Espanol from this to a member. Yeah, here we go. And one of my troll accounts, and this is one of my troll accounts. We're gonna put them as member, but QQQQ is still actually not thing. We have some real gang members. If you wanna join the gang, I can just do this. Yeah. I don't know, but for today we're playing. We're gonna be playing not Boho Salon. Okay, definitely not Boho Salon, cause Boho Salon is not a game. Yes. If you enjoyed the new intro, they have 600 funds. Stop spam. Oh no. I thought. Wait, let's just go to the groups tab. I don't know. But I don't know. No, we're not. Let's just get that out of the way. Let's select a game. Okay? Okay, I have chosen. So I was scrolling through a lot of these stuff, and then I saw this game, Noob Invasion Tycoon. This game has 60. Okay, this has 3,000 people playing. So this must be a good game. So let's join it. Oh no, copyrighted music. Okay. That was copyrighted music. We ain't got. Okay. Claim factory. Okay, we're gonna claim the factory. Okay, let's begin the tycoon here. Okay. We making money here. Hey, we making money here. Hey. Oh, there's a stop music. Oh. Ow, that actually hurt my ears. Yeah, that is literally when I'm jumping, it hurts my ears. So, now I'll turn on. No, I'm not turning on full screen. You know what? No, I'm not turning on full screen. And this eye patch you see right there, it's a limited item. So, you know what? I don't care. Well, actually, it hurts my ears for some strange reason. Wait. Oh no, there's the robot diarrhea. Is no robot diarrhea coming to haunt me again? I don't know. But I have a new video for my family to watch. My family is depressed. Sorry, Mom and Dad. You know that my videos are bad and they're always gonna be bad. And this is a comedy channel, so everything I say it's a joke. So yeah, I can prove it to you. Everything I say is a joke. Why do I have a sword here? It's not working. I'm clicking. Look, it's not. I'm clicking it. I just put my microphone like near. It's just not working. So do you have to like stand close to them or something? I don't know. 2 times cash. is this? Wait, I guess by an advanced. Oh, this is kind of okay. Why does it have this when you can look up here? You're like, people are gonna be blind, so we should put it right here. Follow. I don't want to follow anybody to get something. Like imagine you have to follow some creator of the game just to continue a game. It's like, oh, you need to follow this guy to unlock the 2nd floor, and then if you don't unlock the 2nd floor, then you can't beat the game. I feel like that's like a greedy way to get like followers, but no, everybody's gonna probably use that. Everybody, I don't know. I'll be back when I have. Well, why am I hearing sword? It makes noise when someone does it, but when I do it, nope. I'm clicking it. It's still not working. I should not reset because I'm probably gonna lose this. But I'll be back when I have it. I'm gonna have it in like 10 seconds. Now let's just walk. Hi guys. Hey guys. I hope you guys like the new intro. I hope it gives you all seizures. Like I said, and who's shooting at me? No, like I said, everything I say on this channel is a joke, so don't get offended, people. Now I'm just walking around the map for some strange reason. I'm the noob. I'm the first ever noob, and this is blue, so it kind of fits me. If you like my channel, oh no, someone's gonna kill me. Okay, goodbye, guys. See you tomorrow. See you on my death proposement. Okay. Sorry, guys. I'm not at my death. Okay. I don't know, man. That video is 8 minutes. I'm about to get, I don't know. I feel like I have not made no progress, so I'm just gonna be back when I have a lot of droppers and stuff, because then I'm gonna feel like I did a lot of stuff in this today. So, okay? I'm still not, that rich. I just bought a new dropper, but this guy, I said, like a rainbow dude just flying into this guy's cyclone. I'm just wondering what that guy like did. Hope nothing bad happened to. I made a big announcement of I did not do much. Okay, I did not do much. I just bought these 2 stuff. See that? I just bought that. I'll be back when I have even more. No! I don't want to get copyrighted. Hey, stop, buddy, stop. I know I make really bad videos, but stop, please. I know I make bad videos, but just please, no, please. Okay, thank God he's left now. So guys, to give you an update, this is how Tycoon looks now. If you have rewinded the video and you have found the old Tycoon doesn't exist anymore. So I'm just telling you now, the old Tycoon is gone. It's dead. Like Tiffany Mayumi. So I've been playing this game for the past half an hour, and I've yet to find something interesting. Yeah, this is what you expect a noob game. Maybe noob. But now we just gotta buy everything here. Gotta get these, everything here. Bada bam, bada boom, bada bing. Now you have to fly. Now this is the ultimate combo how to actually get more coins. You have to grab this, and you have to fly. Until your balloon pops, then I'll be back, and then you teleport to it. You'll see now. I'm stuck in this guy's wall. Why am I stuck in this guy's wall? Hey, I know you guys don't know what I'm talking about, but I'm literally stuck in this guy's wall. Oh, I'm stuck in this guy's wall. Like, seriously, I'm not even kidding. Like, I'm just stuck. Like, yeah. How am I gonna get myself out of these technical difficulties? Well, there you go. Yeah, something I really hate about this game is, when you die, it resets. It just resets. I can't even see the word. It resets the music. So if you turn off the music, it just turns it back on for some strange reason. Why? There's some like mysterious faces here. Now you do not spend your money on this. Do not do. If you have Robux and you have this stuff, do not do it. Yeah. Now guys, I have finished this game. I have not bought anything, but this is the finished one. See, this is the finished version of this game. Yeah, that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a like. What is this girl doing? Subscribe, and I'll see you guys later, I guess. Just see you guys later, I guess. Bye.